Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Usimbot menteri rangba ke jala bakmi ika kampo yeng uba prestone Tynsong ha kasngi ningkong ula pentip ba ke sarkar jala kan sathung pendam no shen ha kilai hajar teligi kam gi balai hapo katanat Pulit. Habayakran bakinong tho khubor ba prestone ula ong ki jingpen kre kila jam deblun bar ka jingpen na lat kam gam sami no shen lada omdei menta usnem le se habas dang jong uni usnem kadkum ka jing ong jong u kidan palat lai hajar teliki kam balai thli hapo katanat Pulit.
Congestion, be it with Central Division, be it with Bypass Division, and also the National Highway Division. So all these three divisions are coordinating along with Revenue, with Forest. We discuss about these issues along with the Deputy Commissioner, where we were trying to find out the alignment, how to make maximum approaches so that the, as I said to you, the congestion is reduced to zero level.
Sir, are you planning for four laning of this route?
Yes, in New Shillong Township, we have proposed few stretches of four laning, and also we are trying to make sure that we get maximum approach connection towards the national highway, be it Shillong bypass or be it this Shillong Juwai national highway. We will create maximum connecting point in and around the Shillong city, New Shillong city.
So is government going to seek financial support from the sector, sir?
Yes, that we will do. Surely, we will do it.
Sir, this in and around Shillong city, as you are saying, in and around Shillong city, whether you'll make four laning?
No, the question of four laning in Shillong, whole Shillong city does not arise. You know better. But what we wanted, at least if we can get up to the intermediate lane, I think that is good enough.
Sir, one more thing. Sir, I know you are busy. When will be the recruitment in the police department?
Very soon. Now the process is almost completed. Then the advertisement will be out very soon. If not this year, at least early next year, we will come out with the advertisement.
How many posts?
3,000 plus. 3,000 plus police force.
Early next year you are planning?
Sorry?
Early next year?
Yeah, if not this year, early next year, positively we will come out with the advertisement.